Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of shopping. Today, we're diving into a showdown between two Canon mirrorless cameras, the sporty EOS R10 and the compact EOS R50, perfect for vlogging. Let's get started. When it comes to camera quality, both the Canon EOS R10 and R50 shine with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Reviewers praise the R10 for its image quality, particularly for automotive photography, highlighting its excellent ergonomics and autofocus capabilities. However, the R50 stands out for its 4K uncropped video, making it a favorite among vloggers who want high-quality footage without the hassle of cropping. One reviewer mentioned that the R50 is like having a mini Hollywood studio in your pocket. In terms of autofocus, the R10 features smart and speedy autofocus, which is great for capturing spontaneous moments, like that adorable squirrel. Reviewers have noted that the R10's autofocus is effective, although some mentioned it could struggle in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the R50 boasts dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering a 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones. Users have noted that it tracks subjects exceptionally well, making it ideal for vlogging and dynamic scenes. Both cameras ensure your subjects stay sharp, just like your best friend's witty comebacks. When it comes to shooting speed, both cameras impress with a fast 15 FPS. The R10's mechanical shutter allows for quick captures, making it perfect for those action shots. Reviewers highlighted this feature, especially for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports. Meanwhile, the R50 matches this speed with its electronic shutter, making it equally capable of catching those fleeting moments. So whether you choose the R10 or R50, you won't miss a beat. Let's discuss price. The R10 comes in at $1,379, which users have noted as a worthy investment for serious photography, especially given its build quality and features. However, some reviewers also mentioned that its high price might not be suitable for beginners. In contrast, the R50 is a budget-friendly option at $679, making it an attractive choice for those just starting out. Reviewers have celebrated this affordability, likening it to finding unexpected cash in your pocket. Finally, let's look at size and portability. The R10 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take on adventures. However, some users found it a bit small for larger hands. The R50, on the other hand, is even more portable and praised for its lightweight design, ideal for vlogging on the go. One reviewer humorously mentioned that it's so small, you might lose it in your backpack. But rest assured, it'll be there when you need it. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is highly rated for its image quality and ergonomics, making it a solid choice for photography enthusiasts. However, it has been criticized for its battery life and size for some users. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 receives praise for its vlogging capabilities, user-friendliness, and video quality, though it too has been noted for its short battery life. So, there you have it. The Canon EOS R10 and R50 are fantastic cameras, each with their strengths. If you're looking for pro-level quality, the R10 is your pick. But for budget-friendly vlogging, the R50 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which camera you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.